Kicked out the club by the damn owner. Nigga went home, rolled a blunt, I'm a fucking stoner. Most of niggas that surround me, they like family, nigga. So if we ever got a problem, we can handle it, nigga. Been through everything that you can think, so we gon' manage, nigga. Middle finger to them pussy niggas who won't stand with her. She said she like the way I feel when she on alcohol, but she don't know before I came, I popped the Adderall. I had to stay away from leaning, had me nodding off. Last time I took some Actavis, I went to jail and all. Smoking dope, give a fuck how they feel it all. Ain't hiding shit, cause most of the time they gon' tell it all. I been fucking bitches all year when I'ma settle down. Left my baby mama at the crib and moved out of town. Since you like my name up in your mouth, open up, bitch. Since you like my name up in your mouth, open up, bitch. Since you like my name up in your mouth,